If you're serious about climbing, construction, or any work at height, then you absolutely need to consider a professional-grade safety harness. This single piece of equipment is your most critical layer of protection, the fundamental link between you and a safe return to the ground. The best harnesses offer certified safety, all-day comfort, and the rugged durability that lets you focus on the task, not your gear. Before we break down the top 5 models, remember to use the links in the description below to check the latest prices and discounts on Amazon for every product we discuss. Let's get right into it. Number 5. Sorano Safety Harness Fall Protection Kit. Starting off our list at number 5 is a fantastic value-packed kit that delivers complete OSHA and ANSI compliant protection right out of the box. The Sorano kit is a full system that includes a full-body harness and a shock-absorbing lanyard for one incredibly low price. It's constructed from industrial-grade polyester webbing and features high-tensile hardware for reliable performance on any construction or roofing site. The harness is fully adjustable at the chest, waist, shoulders, and thighs to ensure a secure and comfortable fit for a wide range of body types. For an affordable and complete entry into fall protection, the Sorano Safety Harness Kit is an easy and reliable choice. Number 4. KAILAS B 3 Rock Climbing Harness. Coming in at number 4 is a lightweight and agile harness from a respected brand in the climbing world, the KAILAS B3. This harness is CE and UIAA certified, meeting the stringent international safety standards required for rock climbing and mountaineering. It's designed with breathable 3D mesh padding that significantly reduces thigh pressure and wicks moisture during long, demanding climbs. The dual adjustable leg loops and waist belt are engineered to fit both men and women securely without any annoying hip slippage during movement. For sport climbers and gym enthusiasts who value lightness and breathability, the KAILAS B3 is a phenomenal performance-oriented harness. Number 3. DIJJIG Safety Harness Fall Protection Kit. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the DIJJIG Safety Harness, a robust and thoughtfully designed kit built for comfort and safety on the job site. This harness is ANSI/ASSP compliant, making it a trustworthy choice for professional construction and high-altitude work applications. It's constructed with a focus on comfort, featuring a newly upgraded, thickened lumbar protection pad that is ergonomically designed and highly breathable. The harness uses a 5-point load-bearing design for superior safety and distributes force evenly across the back and legs to reduce pressure points. For workers who need all-day comfort without compromising on safety specs, the DIJJIG harness is a top-tier industrial solution. Number 2. KAILAS B 4 Rock Climbing Harness. Securing our number 2 position is the more advanced offering from KAILAS, the B4 harness, and it's a fantastic all-around pick for serious climbers. Like its sibling, it is CE and UIAA certified, ensuring it meets the highest global standards for safety and performance in rock climbing. It also features the excellent breathable 3D mesh padding that reduces thigh pressure and manages moisture during intense physical activity. The dual adjustable leg loops and waist belt provide a secure and personalized fit for a wide range of body sizes without any hip slippage. It's built with an ultra-lightweight design to minimize fatigue during long multi-pitch climbs or strenuous gym training sessions. The construction utilizes the same abrasion-resistant nylon, proven to be 5 times stronger than standard harness materials. The B4 model offers a slightly more feature-rich and durable build compared to the B3, designed for climbers who push their limits regularly. It represents a perfect balance of lightweight performance, comfort, and rugged reliability. For the dedicated climber seeking a do-it-all harness, the KAILAS B4 is an exceptional investment. Number 1. KAILAS Professional Mountaineering Harness. And now, claiming the top spot on our list is the premium performance beast, the KAILAS Professional Mountaineering Harness, the ultimate tool for extreme climbing. This harness is engineered for elite performance, made from a proprietary high-strength fiber that delivers maximum strength with minimum weight. It's designed to provide exceptional stability and reliability, even when facing the most extreme conditions and environmental factors. The harness employs a mechanical elastic design that offers the maximum possible body freedom, allowing for completely unhindered movement during challenging, high-difficulty climbs. It's specifically built for demanding disciplines like extreme rock climbing and technical mountaineering, where every gram and every millimeter of movement counts. The focus is on providing a secure, non-restrictive feel that acts as an extension of the climber's body rather than a piece of bulky equipment. While it forgoes excessive padding, it prioritizes a precise, secure fit and unparalleled freedom of accessibility. For the climber who refuses to compromise and demands the best possible equipment for tackling the hardest routes, this KAILAS professional harness is the undisputed #1 choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best climbing and safety harnesses you can find on Amazon right now. We hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect lifeline for your climbing or work goals. If it did, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more content. Stay safe up there and keep it secure.